Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Apex Legends board game. First, let's get set up. Begin by assembling the modular game board using the provided tiles and placing any terrain elements. Next, each player selects a legend, taking their corresponding miniature, legend board, and unique ability cards. Finally, distribute starting weapons, common loot tokens, and set each player's shield and health dials to their initial values, typically 20 shield and 40 health. Once set up, players take turns activating their legends. Each legend has 2 action points to spend on their turn. You can use these points to move your miniature across the board, interacting with objects like supply bins, or engaging in combat. Unlike many board games, Apex Legends uses a unique aim card system for combat instead of dice. You draw aim cards based on your weapon's fire rate, comparing their values to a hit threshold to determine successful hits and damage dealt. The goal of Apex Legends, the board game, is to achieve victory conditions, which often involve eliminating enemy legends or completing specific mission objectives. The game typically consists of up to 8 rounds. During each round, the battlefield gradually shrinks, forcing players into closer engagements. If no team achieves immediate victory by the end of the 8th round, the squad with the most victory points wins. Tiebreakers consider remaining legends and health points. To truly master the game, consider advanced tactics. Strategic positioning, using cover, and understanding line of sight are crucial for gaining an advantage. Effective communication and teamwork are vital, allowing you to combine your legend's unique abilities for devastating effects. For example, using a defensive ability to protect a teammate while they deploy an offensive ultimate can turn the tide of battle. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.